For Al Najma's last success onside Al Awal Park for this one. This evening's match officials are from Saudi. The margin for error in this run-in is likely to be quite...
Back four, we've got the team sheet, they said a back four, but we highly suspected it may not be.
Earlier than this one today. This is the third and final match of the first day of three. We'll give you the updates on the scores in a moment as Catano comes away with it. Waits in the penalty area. They, having seen their team score 5 against the same opposition just a few weeks ago. Al Hamdan, that's nicely done. Bit of space now for Angelo, crafting the pass forward, but too much on it. Ganam, if he decides to send it his way, and he does, and yellow shirts are massing in and around the box, and Ronaldo fires it goal for the first time tonight.
Touch, good width play from Garib. Finds Ronaldo, his first touch is excellent. The only surprising thing is he doesn't hit the target. Good piece of play.
He's learned to live with it over the years. Certainly memorable.
You've got to be good at what you do, put it that way.
Exactly. Certainly memorable. Al Nassr on the attack then with Angelo and Brozovic in possession of the ball. Sultan Al-Ghanam here on the near side in support, whipping it across, and Garib sends it flashing past the foot of the post.
Ball in the wide areas. Brozovic realises that, the overlap again from Garib. Decent ball across the box. It's not just a ball flashed across the box, he looks to pick out. Al-Ghanam into Garib. Bounces just before him, it's a difficult one to strike, but again, the fullback getting around the outside into the wide areas.
Important goal scored by him. Lovely play by Angelo, carrying him clear of the midfield and away from Al Talay, and it's collected by Sadio Mane past Al Hossawi, and Angelo finds Ronaldo. Massive block there by Catano. Super defending from him, needed to be as well. It's Al Hamdan into Ronaldo, sharp control, looks for an opening and asked a lot of him.
Decisive football from Al Nassr. Quick ball in behind, pull back to Cristiano Ronaldo, and it really was a good block from the captain Catano. Ronaldo just opens his right foot up, that's heading towards the bottom left-hand corner. It's a super block.
Ronaldo, little reminder of his goal badly in quite a few of the matches this season, but they've rarely looked like scoring very much as Brozovic goes for what would have been his second goal of the season. Hossawi to keep the attack alive and is denied. Ball hits the referee, who's going to have to stop the game there, but suddenly opened up for Al Nassr as Guga now takes the opportunity. Here come Al Nassr, it's a long chase for Ronaldo, but he's got there. Support arriving. Al Hamdan wants a free kick. Referee was very well.
Again, it's Brozovic. It's a good ball through. Mane looks like he's just kept himself onside. It's Cristiano Ronaldo as he just strayed off at the top of the screen there. Looks like he has.
Out deep inside the half with Alakel. Support arriving. Alakel, Cardoso. Cardoso still going. Bento committed. Doesn't know whether to come or go. Here's a chance and a goal. Sensational. Rakin Al Talay, bottom of the table. Al Najma have done the unthinkable. They have taken the lead at top of the league, Al Nassr, and the stadium is stunned.
Wow, that wasn't expected this evening. That high line that we speak about was exposed because he stayed inside his own half. Alakel, he does really well. It looks like he's lost possession, but he retains it to Cardoso, who in turn, he could have gone down under the challenger Simakan. Keeps his composure and he puts a look by the needle. Goes through Al-Amri's legs. Arrives.
Pressure building here on the stroke of half-time, and Brozovic with a cross that's deep, and Al Hamdan's there. Deep in added time at the end of the opening half. At last the home crowd with something to cheer. And it's Abdullah Al Hamdan who scores his fourth goal for Al Nassr. Catch up still because they are going great guns under Brendan Rodgers and very much waiting to pound. That's a decent ball out. And a lovely little slide rule pass. Cardoso! 2-2! Stunning start to the second half. Al Nassr's net, and there was much to enjoy about this passage of attacking play.
Oh, it was brilliant from the goalkeeper. Superb piece of distribution from the goalkeeper there, Vitor Braga. It's a really well-taken finish in the end from Cardoso. Good build-up play, he doesn't rush, he takes his time, he opens his body up. Djanic it is who finds him inside the 18-yard box. First touch, he gets it out of his feet. Al Nassr commits himself to the challenge inside of his right boot. He takes his time, real good composure.
So, El Maestro's team score less than a minute and a half into the second half. 5-0 victory for Al Nassr in the reverse fixture. Proving to be a tougher nut to crack so far today. Plenty of time left in the match though. This is everyone back here for Al Najma, and understandably so. Ronaldo's looking to tee it up and whips it in, and they're going to have a penalty for handball. Or shirt pulling.
Clearly signalling with. Well, look at the far post, it's very congested in there. Have a look at the delivery here. Oh, it's hit his elbow.
Yeah, but the elbow, it's against his side. I mean,
he moves it out. Then he, as you say, both of us looked at each other when we saw the replay, and his arm does come out a little bit. It's always mostly that he moves his arm towards the ball, and once the referee's given it, it's going to be very difficult.
Will unravel again, and Ronaldo with the opportunity to mark his return onto the field following a hamstring injury, with a goal here, which would be his 23rd goal of the season in total, his 22nd in the league. But Vitor Braga has other ideas. This for 3-2. Doesn't miss many, hasn't missed that one either. Cristiano Ronaldo helps himself once more from 12 yards. That familiar stride and corner flag celebration. A rueful shake of the head from Nestor El Maestro, who feels his team have been hard done by there. But the decision was penalty, and Ronaldo wasn't about to miss this opportunity.
It's such a confident penalty. We don't expect anything else, but it's so well struck. Hard, low, going away from the goalkeeper. It's a penalty technique that's been so successful in him over the years. He can go both ways. Familiar celebration. It's his 6th penalty of the season. Never in doubt when he steps up from 12 yards.
Another game, another goal. It's now 22 in 23 appearances in the league, and Abdullah Al-Khaibari tonight.
A rich vein of form, and was sweeping everybody aside, you know, in that second coming, if you like, of their performances. But they've been a lot better tonight.
Oh, that's a lovely pass from Brozovic to Nawaf Al-Bouchal. Ronaldo dropping back and collecting and scoring. But the flag has gone up.
Oh, that's a shame. That's a shame. I think it's Nawaf Al-Bouchal on the far side, because that was such a one that they will check. It looked tight, it looked close. Bouchal didn't need to go that early. He could have timed his run. It's clever the way he picks out Ronaldo.
Great finish.
His awareness of his surroundings. He's convinced, no, it wasn't you. It might be Al-Bouchal. He was clearly onside. It's going to be very tight in the middle. I think it's Al Halil.
But again, you see the referee there, very good at diffusing everything and taking control of the situation. We've seen that several times tonight. His demeanour keeps everyone...
In this day and age, you know, there's no opinion. He's either on or off. Goal.
Goal given. No offside. It is 4-2. And Ronaldo at the double for Al Nassr. Back in the team and straight into his stride. Quite a tight one.
I think it's Al Halil, maybe take your pick out of one of the three that plays him on side. But to Al Bushal's credit, I said initially he may have gone early, that's why the assistant's flag went up. Times his run to perfection, and actually it's a great assist, but everything else is about Cristiano Ronaldo. To have the knowledge and whereabouts of players around him, so that he's able to take that first touch and then apply that finish. Quality all round.
That's a sharper finish, as you'll see. The familiar goal-scoring grin of Cristiano Ronaldo. 967.
He's getting closer.
It was very close to the defender at the time when the ball was played, and you just sensed that from the look on his face, he was very confident that it was onside.
His spatial awareness, and that's the type of fans that you want inside the stadium, and you build fans like that for life.
That's a shirt to treasure for sure. There might be one other signature he's particularly keen to get there after the match, you never know. What a great atmosphere. What an animated crowd. Expectant at the start, excited now, and dreaming of what. And yet again he's on a hat-trick, of course, now. Cristiano Ronaldo in this match. Refreshed and raring to go. Having recovered from a hamstring injury, it kept him out of the last three.
The way that they set up, it was defensive, but they posed an attacking threat.
Nader Al-Sharari is going to come on, and Cristiano Ronaldo makes way.
If he wasn't comfortable in the position that his team is. And a couple of goals for that man.
Al-Nassr getting well forward here on the near side. Samir Al-Nassr, far post. Number 5. Swept home by Sadio Mane, his second of the game. That's 10 goals in 2 matches against Al Najma for Al Nassr in recent weeks. 5 away, 5 at home, and for 24 hours at least, a 6-point lead at the top of the Roshan Saudi League.
You feel for Al Najma, because that scoreline doesn't reflect the story of the game. They've been unpicked again. To substitute Al Najdi does extremely well, very unselfish in that situation. He looked like he was shaping up to shoot, gets in a good position, he looks up and he picks out Sadio Mane, and that's one of the easiest goals that the Senegalese will score at the far post. Helps himself to his second of the...
Well, he'll be glad to be back and in the thick of it after his recent injury issue. In a minute and a half, put Al Nassr in front, then Al Nassr.